Good morning, you guys, and welcome back to the Orlando Science Center. I'm joined by Carissa today, and all throughout the month of March, we are highlighting Engineering Month here at OSC, and we're actually joined by some natural construction workers. We got some shovel-nosed lobsters today, right?
Yes, so I actually have a multiple ones. This is called a ridge slipper lobster, also known as a shovel nose or a bulldozer lobster. And so these guys are really cool, so they have actually two pairs of antennas. They have the ones here, and then they have these. These are actually a modified larger pair of antenna that they can use.
Wait, these right here are the antenna.
These are actually a second pair. So these ones are the normal ones, what we think of that pick up
Yeah.
chemical senses in the water. But these ones here, they will actually use and they'll push them down and they can use them independently. They don't actually move together. They can move one at a time.
So they kind of like oscillate like
Yeah,
this.
or they can move them both.
That's
And they will use it to kind of move sand around or move rocks around. And our two ladies in this tank will actually rearrange the tank at night for us.
that's really cool. Talk about getting your head in the game, huh?
Yes. So they do that also as part of their defense because the lobster species we have here in Florida actually have no claws. You'll see all these are just regular legs. So there's no claws at all in here. And so for that reason, they will also use these for defense. So they'll use them to kind of flick predators away, as well as they'll use their nice camouflage. So this brown and the red actually help them blend in because the weird thing is the deeper you go in the ocean, red actually disappears and just becomes gray.
Okay, that makes sense, right?
Yeah.
As light filters through the water,
Yep.
definitely like distorts the color a little bit. But
Yeah.
what type of predators do they have to watch out for?
So their biggest predators are going to be actually bigger fish.
Okay.
It's not usually when they're going to be hard, as this molt is. It's going to be when they're soft. So after one of our girls freshly molted and they're going to be nice and soft and squishy, it's where we get the soft shell crabs
Yeah.
from. And so at that point, they're very prone for predators.
Yeah, they're vulnerable, right?
Yep.
Makes sense. And what do they eat? What does their diet consist of?
So these guys are nocturnal hunters. So mostly what they're going after is dead fish and smaller clams and snails they can go after. They're really easy.
Okay.
But there are two species of slipper lobsters found in Florida, the bridged and the Spanish, and they can all be found from the top Gulf all the way up to the Atlantic seaboard side of Florida. And these guys live in shallow water. You can find them about 10 feet of water all the way down to a couple hundred feet of water, but they will always be found near rocky outgrowths
Okay.
because it helps them hide because during the day they're going to be hiding from predators.
Makes sense, yeah.
And also helps them blend in with the camouflage. They don't tend to hang out more than groups of two.
So they're like solo homebodies.
Yes.
Okay.
They rearrange their home very frequently.
All throughout the month of March, we're hoping to see you guys here at the Orlando Science Center, maybe to meet up with these lobsters that we haven't named quite yet. But if
Yep.
you were to name them, what would you call them?
I'd probably say Ruby and Dorothy for
Ruby and Dorothy.
because Ruby Slipper.
Makes sense, right?
Yes.
Hopefully the slipper fits, But we hope to see you guys here all throughout the month of March.